Welcome back to my channel, guys. Okay, so this week's video for you is the Dow Jones on the US Open. So it's been a long time since I've done a video on the Dow Jones on the US Open, so it's probably been about a year, so this is a long time coming, but we're here, we're back with the Dow Jones on the US Open. So this actual trade is the live commentary that I provide with my students. Okay, so you'll actually get a glimpse of what the live commentary is all about. So as I've said before, the live commentary in my community is unique. I don't know any other mentor that actually provides this level of support. So you'll get live commentary on the FTSE 100 on the European Open, and you'll also get live commentary on the Dow Jones on the US Open. So Monday to Friday, so 5 days a week, 10 live commentaries. Okay, and this is just a little snapshot of exactly the kind of thing that you can expect when you join my team and you log into the live commentary. Another wonderful thing about the live commentary is the market does change, so you can put out a course and you can teach your students how to trade, but sometimes that goes out of date. So the wonderful thing about the live commentary is that as the market changes, and it could be slight changes, I identify that pretty quick, and you really do get the most up-to-date data and education live as it's actually happening. So it truly is a game changer. It's something that I experimented with when I first started doing it over a year ago. Actually, it's more than a year ago now. It's been well more than a year ago. And it's been so successful that I've continued to do it. The students absolutely love it. And it truly is a game changer. I mean, if you're struggling to trade the opens, which, listen, I can remember what it's like, especially if you're not part of a trading community and you don't have that education. I can remember what it's like on the opens. You don't know which is up and which way is down. It gets that confusing. So it truly does eliminate a lot of that, and it truly is a big help. And as I said, it's unique in this industry. I don't know any other mentor out there that provides live commentary the way I do. Twice per day, 5 days a week. It's a game changer. It truly is a game changer, and it helps the students. So the Sambora trading community, we are continuing to grow, and we continue to grow on a regular basis. As I've said before, it truly is a standard that we try to uphold within the community, is to deliver this live commentary on a regular basis. And the fact that students are continuing to join my community is a testament to how successful the Sambora trading community is. Okay, so also the Sambora trading community jockey is coming back next month. So after a long injury, he's coming back to make his return in professional horse racing. Okay, so we've got him some new clothing, so you'll be seeing him on the TV probably, hopefully the end of next month, if not the end of next month, the start of September. Going back to what he does best, and that's, getting out there for these big stables and racing horses. Okay, so we continue to evolve. The biggest thing about my community is that we are continuing to evolve, and you will see that when you join the team and when you log into the live commentary. It truly is a game changer, because as the market changes, it's identified pretty quickly, and then we tweak the strategy going forward to suit the market conditions. So it truly is a game changer, because the market does change, and it might be just one small element. However, it makes all the difference between being a profitable trader and not. Okay, so fantastic, absolutely fantastic trade this was. 1.4k short position, waited and waited and waited. It was so bullish, and my strategy is playing the reversals. Okay, that's what my strategy is. Obviously there's a lot more to it, but that's fundamentally what it is. So we had to wait for a couple of minutes before it kind of ran out of steam. Here we go, 1.4k on the Dow Jones. Opportunity yet? As a matter of fact, because so much space has been created on the Open, the opportunity is even greater than what it was, providing you don't go in too early, which you can't. You can't go in early when it's so bullish like this. Okay, hopefully this is it starting to come down now. There's a massive rejection on the previous candle. If you look at the previous candle, basically I would say probably 60% of that candle is a rejection. Okay, you've got rejections to the support level and the resistance level. But again, there is a massive rejection to the support level now, so again, you got to take that into consideration also. And this is why, and I keep saying it, the greater the space, the greater the opportunity, because it provides a safer environment for us to trade, because, the lesser the space, the lesser the opportunity. I mean, look at this now. Beautiful. Beautiful, look at this. Lovely. What a fantastic open. What an absolutely fantastic open, providing you didn't go in too early when it was extremely bullish. That is one unbelievable open, that is. Seriously. And this is why I keep saying, that we have to wait for that space to be created. Okay guys, there you have it, 1.4K on the Dow Jones on the US Open. Okay, so you can see that the market has changed recently. We didn't get such bullish and bearish movements on the open, big massive candles with a lot of rejections. It's interesting times. The market is going back to where it used to. Listen, it swings and roundabouts with the market. Sometimes it's difficult, sometimes it's easy. This is what you need to navigate when you trade the stock market. It's not all plain sailing. You do need to slightly tweak your strategy, even though the fundamentals are still the same. So I hope you enjoyed this week's video. As I said, Sambora Jockey is coming back very soon. See you next week for more videos. Celebrating 2 years on YouTube this month.